is the train. Guys, this train has been going for maybe 5 minutes now, and it's not done for now. So I bet I'm gonna lock off my vehicle and just chill, because it's not done no time soon. Alright guys, so I am at the lift bridge right now. You see the weather is nice. I don't know if this ship has already gone through. Oh yeah, the ship has already gone through. Can you see that thing moving over there? Yeah, the ship has already gone through. And the bridge is lifting now. I wish I was closer. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Kiki here. So I don't know if you can tell, one side of my face is swollen because I just came from the dentist. So they numb all this here. So, oh, it feels so weird. Can you see like all of this is numb? So I'm drinking something called a booster juice because I'm not supposed to eat anything, especially anything hot. So all face piece up. Anyways, this numbness is gonna wear off in about an hour to 2 hours, them say. So I'm waiting for that. I'm gonna drive to the GO station and I'm gonna show you what the GO station is. It's the train and bus station for the city that I'm currently in. I'm not near home. Oh God, look. Seriously, would I be me if I never mess up myself when me a drink? Me not laugh. Would I have me can't eat and I mess up myself? Cannot believe. Hold on. Anyways, so I'm heading to the GO station. I'm going downtown Toronto. I'm going to the what do you call the place? Center Island. I'm going to Center Island, downtown Toronto. The weather is nice. So I am going to take the train and then I'll show you guys my journey. Train is coming in 25 minutes. So I'm gonna drive 5 minutes to the GO station, and I came to pick up some food from my favorite restaurant, Sunrise Caribbean restaurant, and I bought some stuff because we're gonna have a picnic. So I bought some roti and chicken and festival, and I think that might be it. But the other girls are bringing other stuff. I'm gonna have a nice picnic and a nice day, and possibly get our feet wet at the beach. So I'll let you know when we're there. Bye. So I highly suggest that you buy the tickets ahead of time. There was a very long line for the bike taxi because the ferry was sold out. So this is the website that you go to. You click on that link there. It will take you to another page and you'll see the information regarding the pandemic. You select the date of your travel, indicate how many tickets you're purchasing. You'll see the prices there and the total for the tickets. There are some more conditions there regarding COVID. You agree and proceed to pay, and it should ask you to include your email address, your payment, your address and so on, or your credit card information, I should say, and then you'll get the receipt in your inbox. You get an email. All right, so I've pulled up to the GO station here. As you can see, the parking lot is very empty. This is not a common occurrence. It's just because it's the weekend, 9 to 5, it's like really packed. You can barely find parking. But yeah, I've pulled up and I'm gonna take you inside to show you what inside looks like. So this is the train station. Those are the stairs that I'm gonna go to the track, and this is where I'm going. This is basically it. So a heat warning was in effect, and of course, your girl dressed accordingly. So I have my little shorts on. So I just wanted I just wanted to show you my outfit. But yeah, now we're gonna take the train. This is my Presto card. You can purchase one at the counter in the office, and you can top it up online. So if you don't have a Presto card, you can buy the tickets through the same counter in the office. They actually have an office where there's someone there between certain hours. I do believe they have an option where you don't have to go to an attendant either, but I'm not so sure, so don't quote me on that. So I'm going up the stairs, up and outside, and I'm gonna meet the train on track 3. It can be very intimidating to take the train, but yeah, don't worry. Anyways, the train is coming. It looks like it's going slow, but trust me, it's going quite fast. This is a double-decker kind of train, so it looks slow. It looks like it's one level, at least to me at first it did, like when I just moved here. But yeah, it takes a while to stop. Oh, the train is actually shorter, so it's not usually this short due to the pandemic and due to the low rider level. They cut the train, or they reduced the number of cabins, or whatever they call the links on the train. I don't know what you call it, but yeah, so it's actually shorter. But yeah, so we're gonna go on to the train now. I didn't want to be in the back, but you know what, I just went into the very first door that was open. So yeah, this is me. Usually there'd be people coming off the train, but again, low ridership. So I'm going upstairs, and unfortunately, usually they have some outlets like where you could charge your phone. For some reason they block them off. Like I don't know why. That's so unfair, but you know what, anyways, they put these partitions in it, as you can see, I guess due to COVID. That's the Via Trail, that's the bullet train, and this is the GO station. No, what is this called? Union Station. Yeah, it's like the Toronto version of Grand Station. Or that sign is for the subway, which I'm gonna show you one day. And here I'm under the tunnel. The trains run above my head, and there was a homeless guy, unfortunately. This is how busy it was, yeah, on Saturday, and this isn't even half of the crowd that was outside. Okay, y'all, so it's busy here at the waterfront. We're gonna go to that side because we prepaid, and then I'm gonna show you guys what the waterfront looks like. But yeah, it's pretty busy today. So that one's closed. St. Island. Oh, what baby. Come outside your way. Can be a good as in a deal with Ray. Tell us if it.
My bashment, I could have do them. Shoot and I say I must say bashment, granny. I wonder
where we go.
We're
going left.
So tell a girl to come out of your way.
Where we go?
I want to go left or right. Where should we go, left or right? Left or right? Left or right?
I don't even know.
What do you think? Left or right, though?
Let me see this way.
What? So we call them stitches. Most a girl face make she get some stitches. So tell a girl to come out of your way. Cause you are good as in a deal with me.
What? Come. Don't get left behind. Why? Suppose we stop when you know watch the movie them. When you left breadcrumbs. Why in your wet? Eh. Ratty. We are supposed to stop for two.
But I don't care. Wanna get wasted off you. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I like the taste. I like the taste. I like the taste.
She behind me. I think we don't know.
So high cost, can't put it on just to be loved.
We're out.
We're
out.
You live and you learn, I learn from my
You're jumping.
Show me what I have been missing. Crazy, but I will not listen.
What? Dead end. Oh, dead end. So dead end. Dead end. When you sure that I'm not out? I'm not out that. You're sure?
Oh, we got out. We got out.
Wanna get wasted with you. Tell me what's good for me, but I don't care. Wanna get wasted.
I want next meal, you know.
Wanna get wasted.
Wait, Dylan. I have East behind me.
But I don't care. Wanna
Dead end? Is that a dead end?
Is it a dead end? Is it a dead end down there?
I got a problem. I like the taste. Wanna get wasted with you. Tell me what's good for me, but I don't care. Wanna get wasted off you. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I like the taste.
It's so hard.
I like the taste. I like the
When I reach the back of the wet ground, you know, we know one different part. Suppose we can't come out. We can't believe it. Wait, we reach back out, I think. No? Come. What is
Go follow Kim.
Crazy, but I will listen.
No, go before me.
No good for my health, they can't be, but I'm with you. Yeah, yeah.
Where my kids at? I think
them there? I just saw. So the wet ground here.
Wanna get wasted,
We can't believe it. Oh. So we are at the beach.
Oh, we're not going in the water, okay, guys?
We're at the beach, but it's not like our beach where you know say a good water. It's like I'm showing you the water. Put the dogs out and the water. We started to swimming and I think they swim on both sides. Yeah, it's a nice beach. But chilling, it's cool, vibes nice. The other side of the beach. We're going to walk on the pier. Okay, so today's the next day and I am making myself and my mom some breakfast. I'm making a nice wrap with lettuce, some cherry tomato, some pumpkin seeds, no, not pumpkin seeds, bird seeds, sunflower seeds. We're out of pumpkin seeds, I believe. There's apple, celery, lettuce, and sweet pepper. So I made one for me, one for my mom, and I'm gonna top it off with an egg that is in the beloved egg maker. The beloved egg maker. And I'm gonna wrap it up, make some tea for her and myself because neither of us have been drinking tea. But I'm gonna do this and then I will be back to close the vlog. All right, so yesterday my phone died and I didn't get to close the video. So we went to, the last stop we made was on the ferry, the pier, I should say. So went to the beach, but the water was kind of dark. It's just lake water that Canadians are used to. So we never went into the water, but we stayed on the sand and we played on the sand, and that was nice. Then we went to the pier, and then we decided that we wanted to take the second to last ferry and not the very, very last ferry. So honestly, there was no social distancing there because everybody wanted to get home, right? And so went home, went back into the GO station and got off at my stop and then came home. So I hope this gave you kind of an insight on as to what you can do on Toronto Island. You can we did the maze, right?
Yeah.
But you can definitely go to Toronto Island for picnics. It's a cute for a first date. You can walk around between Hanlan's Point and Center Island. I think, yes. You can go to Hanlan's Point, Ward Island, or Center Island, and you can walk the entire island if you're physically fit, because it is quite the walk. They also have, you can canoe there. They have people had yachts out there, not yachts but boats out there, their own personal boats. You could rent canoes. And there are still activities. You can rent bicycles. You can rent a bicycle as well, or you could take your own bicycle. So there's still things that you can do on Toronto Island. But yeah, that was my day. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.